Okay, we've got the bag and the pipes inside, mounted up, strapped up, and we're about to head to the workshop. So this is how it's looking at the moment. Just strapped it down so that I can bring it and just ride it over to the workshop. If he stops me, I'm gonna open up my bag and show him my stock types, man. Oh my god, I'm in such a bad mood. Just this journey and this ride to the workshop is really souring my mood. It's not just the hassle of bringing it all the way and my boat stripping, but it's the fact that I won't get to hear this lovely sound anymore. The presence that it has on the road and the feeling that it gives me, gone. But it is what it is. That's just how it is in Singapore. So we are at Vicious now. Ah Hong is helping me to remove the heat shield and the boat that I stripped. And then he will start to fix the stock muffle, the rear plate. They even have this really nice looking rear fender and tidy for me to put back, because the number plate that I have is too small and is slightly obstructed by the rear brake lights. There we go. It's off in all its glory. Former glory. Okay, we hit a really funny problem that we just found out. The stock pipes baffle has been drilled through and it will definitely fail the inspection. So what we're going to do is wait for Ang, for him to weld it back together for us so that the inspection passes. In the meantime, here's the progress on the rear fender and number plate. He's just putting the whole thing over the old number plate, just covering it up, and then we'll put the number plate back on and hopefully this passes. Guys, we rarely have the opportunity to see the bike without any exhaust, so I want to start it up and hear how it sounds. So this is how it's looking right now without the pipes or the mufflers. I'm gonna leave the microphone here and we'll give it a listen. Okay, they found this round part that fits just nice into the exhaust. He's using the size as a reference, and then he will cut up the plate, and then we'll see what he does. There we go, 2 baffles. They weld it into the bike. Okay, now that the round plate's inside, the baffle and the exhaust, gonna do some simple welding so that it stays inside and stays put and doesn't fly out when I'm riding. Alrighty, they are done welding it. Don't know if you can see, but you should be able to see some weld spot inside the muffle. So that's going to give it a bit more reinforcement and strength so that it doesn't fall off. Alrighty, the bike is all done up. Let me show you guys the stock setup. Okay, so here you can see that the heat shield and the stock pipes are bolted on already. And another look at the legal license plate, bit bigger, unobstructed, and it has the, let me show you guys the lights. There you go, the light that illuminates, and then also the reflector. Hopefully, we pass inspection. 我放在这里下啦。
My pipe doesn't stop. Also get to look forward. Why go with you? Who go back? Who must done all? I don't know why. Hey, they bring out all the nonsense. Sometimes he do it.
哦，他做抖音的啊。
啊，对，很好玩的。玩那个开大架，对啊，我大架。来这好点地，我我的货，兄弟。哎，you know one day I can have it. 就看到那些假了，他。哦没，那你这，那你这
机会抵消啊！
真的很好的。
嗯。
虽然我找不到东西啊。
啊。
叫他们帮我找，他们帮我找。好像有时他们也是拉新车来啊，还是什么，也是叫他们帮。
Oh.
然后我们 office
Okay. My microphone has died, so I'm gonna be using the camera's microphone now, so it's not gonna be as good. But anyways, as I was saying, the inspection is done. The inspector asked me, but he said that there might be a chance that LTA might reject this because it's not like stock, even though it meets the requirements, which was why he passed me. It's not the 2019 Fat Bob stock license plate holder because I don't have it. I don't think the previous owner has it as well. There still can be a chance where LTA might fail me, but if they don't, then I won't hear anything and I can move on with buying. But yeah, so that's the situation. The bike sounds like, I don't know, it just sounds so lame now. But here we go, and it is what it is. If all goes well, this will be the last segment. I'll continue to modify the bike in different ways.